In English, spoken in the UK and USA, we say, hello. Can you try it? Say hello. And when it's time to go, we say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? In Spanish, spoken in Spain and Mexico, we say hola. Try it with me, hola. Again, hola. That means hello in English. And when we leave, we say adios. Can you say adios? When you are in Spain, say adios when leaving, okay?
In French, spoken in France, we say bonjour, like this, bonjour. Can you say bonjour? That means hello in English. And when it's time to leave, we say au revoir. Try it, au revoir. Say au revoir when it's time to leave, okay?
In Swahili, spoken in Kenya and Tanzania, we say jambo. Can you say jambo? Can you say jambo? It means hello. And to say goodbye, we say kwaheri. Try it, kwaheri. Can you say kwaheri? It means goodbye. In Mandarin Chinese, spoken in China, we say ni hao. Repeat after me, ni hao. Let's say it together. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. And when we leave, we say zaijian. Say it with me, zaijian. It means goodbye. In Hindi, spoken in India, we say namaste. Put your hands together and say namaste. Namaste. And to say goodbye, we say alvida. Say it with me, alvida. In Japanese, spoken in Japan, we say konnichiwa. Can you say konnichiwa? Konnichiwa. And when we leave, we say sayonara. Try it, sayonara. Say it with me, sayonara. In German, spoken in Germany, we say guten Tag. Try it with me, guten Tag. Say it with me, guten Tag. And to say goodbye, we say auf Wiedersehen. Try it, auf Wiedersehen. That means goodbye in German. In Russian, spoken in Russia, we say privyet. Say it loud, privyet. That means hello. Can you say privet? And when it's time to go, we say do svidaniya. Say it again, do svidaniya. In Italian, spoken in Italy, we say ciao, like this, ciao. Can you say ciao? Ciao means hello. And when we leave, we say arrivederci. Say it with me, arrivederci. In Portuguese, spoken in Brazil and Portugal, we say hola, just like Spanish, but with a little twist. Hola. Can you say hola? And to say goodbye, we say adios. Say it with me, adios. Wow, you did amazing. Now you know how to say hello and goodbye in so many languages. Keep practicing and have fun greeting your friends around the world.